Hi, this is Omega for the Racer Company YouTube channel, and today we're gonna get a shave. Now, for today, I'm going with Hallowed Sky from MacDuff. This was the Halloween release from last year. Look at that label, freaking awesome. And obviously, gotta have the splash. For the Racer, gonna play Machi. Carbon CX Graphite with a Wisdom blade. And obviously TRC. Actually, this is the Halloween. I bought it for Halloween. For Halloween. And the brush. Wald A1 Skull Gengar Vintage Gengar Hunter mix. Very soft lot. Pretty cool some brush. Oh, I was about to go to work and I forgot. I still have time to do a shave. It's been a while since I did a video, so fairly easy. Smell fairly sweet scent. In the notes, you're gonna see that it says, if you see it, is rotten pumpkin flesh. And I think as rotten leaves, who would have thought that it smells like candy? That's all I get, candy. Which it was perfect for Halloween. Trick or treat. Getting a little bit of lather. Let's add a little bit of water. Dip the tips of the brush in the water. Keep working. Just keep working, working, working. Looking better. Should be good, I guess. Let me spray the face. Work it. Gotta work with soap. Pretty soft. And yeah, pretty well hydrated. Gotta use everything. See the peaks. That's what you want to see. When you see the peaks, you know you're pretty well hydrated. Should be good. Let's go. Let's see if you guys can hear the feedback on this razor. This is the plus plate, which is 0.1 something. They got very smooth and efficient razor, and MacDuff soap base is very smooth, very slick. I only have maybe currently like 4 soaps from MacDuff, but they are all pretty good. Gotta get some more from TRC. Very slick. That's what you want for your protection. Very nice. Look at that glide. Very good. Second pass. Get the face wet again. Just a little bit. Oh. I don't mind getting soap on my shirt because it's gonna clean up fairly easy. So, and I'm gonna keep smelling the soap a little bit after the shave is done. Depending on the soap, you can still smell it after some hours after the shave. Very good. Now, here's the green. Very nice. Gotta watch out for the lip. Here you go. Nice and easy. So I don't cause irritation or cut myself. Hopefully you guys cannot hear the dog. He's barking outside. She probably saw a cat or a squirrel. Now I'm gonna be waiting. I just purchased another razor and a new brush from TRC. They had a flash sale today for 10% on the website. I decided to buy their TRC razor. I have this is the stainless steel, the level 2 stainless steel. This is the TRC razor. I grabbed the medium on aluminum for the price. You can't go wrong. And since I was there already, I always wanted that cream soda, I think it is called the brush, for like less than $15. Yeah, it's not like I need more brushes, I know, but you can never have enough. Variety is the spice of life. You gotta enjoy it. Now gotta go easy on the edge of the label, of the lip. I'm not applying any pressure. This is a titanium razor, so it's fairly light, but it has some blade feel. It can cut you off if you are not careful. But that was the pretty good pass. Yeah, now comes the fun part. Across the grain, third pass. A little bit of the water on the, add a little bit of water on the soap. So work it a little bit. Brings it back to life. There you go. Now I got more soap. Very nice. Well, now I don't worry, like I said, I don't worry about the soap getting on my shirt, because you're gonna see it's gonna clean up fairly easy. And the shirt is gonna smell pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Careful around the chin. I reapply a little bit because I go the opposite direction now. Maybe I miss almost BBS, almost. Should be fine. Yeah, should be good enough. Should be good enough. Now I'm gonna clean my face. Get the towel. I don't rinse all the food because I want to leave all the skin food on my skin, obviously. Now look at this up. Very nice. Very nice bowl shape feel. already smooth and haven't applied the splash. Time for the splash. Shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it like a moving like. Few drops. Working on the head. And apply. Very nice. Candy. Yeah, it's very sweet. That's so good. Alright. Now that was a great shave. Now that will be all for me today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave it on the comments down below. And if you're interested in any of the products that I have, or for any of your shaving needs, go check the Razor Company website. There's probably gonna be a link of the comment or the description. And I'll see you guys on the next shave. Have a good one.